What if the very parts of yourself you try to hide, your anger, your jealousy, your insecurity, your self doubt, are actually holding the key to your wholeness? We spend so much of energy trying to silence or fix these shadow sides of us. But here's the truth: your shadow is not your enemy, it is your biggest teacher. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And today we are diving into something most of us secretly fight with but rarely talk about: our shadow side. The shadow is a part of us that feels really messy, shameful, and unaccepted. It's the side of you that you hide from others, that you don't want anybody else to know. The negative side of you in your language. And you even want to hide it from yourself. But here's the magic: when you stop running away from your shadow and you start owning it, when you start accepting your flaws, you unlock incredible power, you unlock incredible authenticity, and you unlock incredible freedom for yourself. So let's talk about 5 powerful steps, that will help you start owning your shadow side and turning it into your biggest strength. Number one, name it without shame. The first step is always awareness. So, what are the traits? What are the emotions? What are the patterns that you yourself want to hide from everybody? Instead of shoving them under the carpet, call them out. Say, okay, fine. I know I have a bad temper. I know I can be controlling. Yes, I am a person who feels very jealous. Naming your shadow and accepting it removes its hidden power. Secondly, find the root. So every shadow, every negativity, it always stems from somewhere. Maybe you learned as a child that good girls don't get angry. So now when you get angry, you don't like it. Maybe your need to control everything, is because of all the chaos you went through while growing up. So once you start understanding where your shadow comes from, it softens your judgment and it replaces it with compassion. Thirdly, see the gift inside the shadow. So now, every negative has a positive to it. Every shadow has a gift. When you own your anger, it becomes the fuel for healthy boundaries. Envy. Envy shows you what you truly desire. Why do you feel envious? Because you truly desire something, right? The need to control, it actually reveals your deep longing for safety, your deep longing for everything to go well. So ask, what is this shadow trying to protect me from? What is it guiding me towards? Understand this shadow. Fourthly, integrate through expression. So, integration does not mean that you have to, act out. It means you give a safe space for your shadow. Journal your rawest thoughts. Okay, the worst ones, journal them. Move your body to release stored emotions. Shake. Speak your truth in a trusted place. Or speak aloud to yourself. Express your truth to yourself first, loudly. Expression transforms shame into strength. Remember that. Lastly, practice radical self acceptance. So, the most powerful step to learning to love yourself as a wholesome is not just the light but the shadow too. You can't just love all the good about you. If you have to accept yourself fully, you have to accept yourself with your negatives. That's what makes you a complete person. So, when you stop rejecting pieces of yourself, when you stop fearing rejection from others, you become your whole self. And wholeness is freedom. So, my beautiful people, your shadow is not something you need to be scared of or you need to bury. It is a doorway to a deeper truth. It is a doorway to more power and more authenticity. Remember that light without shadow is incomplete. Whenever we speak of light, we speak of eliminating darkness, isn't it? And you are not here to be perfect, you're a human being after all. So you need to be a complete person. And that complete person is only when you accept both your negatives and your positives. So, thank you for joining me today on this episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. If this conversation resonated with you, please share it with a friend who might be hiding from her own shadow. And don't forget to follow me on Spotify, YouTube, Apple, or Substack, whatever suits you, so that you don't miss more episodes. And if you're ready to explore your shadow side with love and guidance, I ask you to DM to me so that you can get on a free clarity call with me and you can become a part of my Freedom Divas Hub. Until next time, this is me, Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off for now, but asking you to honor your light, embrace your shadow, and know that you are already whole. You are already complete with your shadow. I'll see you the next time. Much gratitude till then. Bye bye.